Hey, hello. Hello, YouTube. It's Erin here. Today I am doing a product review and I'm showing you how I actually set up my wooden practice hand I got off of Amazon. This particular one is called the Yafex. I think I may be pronouncing it wrong. I believe it's spelled Yafex. I'll put the link in the description box below. And essentially, you get this wooden hand with 100 uh, brown tips in how many sizes? In two different sizes. You also get a screwdriver that will allow you to adjust the joints that are here. I don't think you can see them on that's okay, this side. On every finger, you can adjust those joints so that they move a little bit easier for you. I think one of my kids might have been messing with that one because that one was a little loosey goosey. I got to tighten that one up. But this also comes with, I'm trying to think, you get the screwdriver, the nails. I also believe you get a warranty as well with this hand. But I immediately purchased this because I was just so in awe of the quality compared to some of the other units that were sold on Amazon. Honestly, a lot of the other wooden hands look like the ones that you would get from IKEA, the little posable ones. And they just didn't look super realistic for them to be wood. And you also had to do a lot of modifications if you wanted to add them to like a little stand or support. This just works really, really well. If you don't have access to a stand, you're still able to move the fingers gently, whichever way you need to. It stands up on its own base. You can also fold the hand or fingers over as well, so that you're able to get to it any way that you need to. This hand is also great if you're in art and you need more experience in drawing hands and realistic movements. It's great for that as well. But of course, me always being a DIY girl and thinking about how I can make something a little bit cooler, I noticed here in the back, if you order this unit, it'll have an opening, just a well. And I thought to myself, well, I wonder if I can put something down there to mount like a bracket or a piece here so that I could attach it to something. And I got my hot glue gun out, and I'll tell you what I actually used. It's called a desktop mount microphone stand. I may be saying that wrong. They're pretty flexible, but when you order them, you'll get the mount and you'll get a little piece like this. I forgot the name of what this is actually called. I'll try and zoom in, but it's the mounting piece that would typically you would screw your microphone on. So the way that it works is you have your piece here, and this is the mountable stand that you can get, and you just screw it right on, and it works great. So what I did was I took my hot glue gun and I put the glue down there. Then I put the same identical piece, as you can see they look the same, right in the center. And right before it completely cooled down, I took the hand and I just mounted the entire thing to the stand so that it could create its own well and grooves in there so that it could screw on easily. So whenever I need to now use the unit, I am going to screw it on here. I apologize if things get a little bit shaky because of my desk, me moving it around. I just turn the hand, and I'll do that really quickly. Hopefully it's not too crazy. Okay, so I turn it around completely. As you can see, the unit is not going anywhere, I can move it up, I can move it down, and it stays in place. Very easy to use. I can put it in any position in which I feel comfortable with, and it works great. So if you are in the market for a nail trainer hand and you don't want to spend tons of money, and you want something that's quality and that's going to last, I would say to go with this particular hand and then buy yourself the microphone stand and DIY it yourself and just make it uniquely yours. This hand I think runs around $20 to $25, and the flexible microphone stand runs maybe about another $20 to $25. So that's essentially it for my quick video today. I love this hand. I love my little DIY stand. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching me today, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.